Mustang Mark E4X 2018. So I was trying to get prices for like the condenser, the compressor. The compressor is $1,500.90, so basically $1,600. The condenser is $272. The labor for the compressor is 2.1. The labor for the condenser is 3.3. Now what I was trying to find, see this expansion valve right here? And this glycol plate heat exchanger that has water running through it, but it has refrigerant running through it too. Now I was looking for that part, and they have it as an assembly here, number 23. And when I go down to number 23 is a AC compressor control module AC lines. But I could not just get a price or a part number for this assembly right here. So on that part right there, trying to look that up and to see if I could find it. AC, what was that name again? AC control module that has glycol and refrigerant running through it at the same time. That part, AC control module. Let's see if that finds it. Keep it short. And no search on that. So we'll have to look that one up, and I'll ask if I'll get a hold of the designer of the software and see if that is left out or I just can't find it. And we'll see what the price of that is. So that's a $1,500 compressor. I'm probably going to say that's about $400 or so there. At least they made the expansion valve easy to get to, so if a compressor burns out, it won't be like 8 or 12 hours to get to it. And looking up all the glycol pumps and the 4-way valves, 3-way valves, shut-off valves for the glycol loop system. I'll have to dig into that a little more. But I have to get out to other jobs. I was just doing this to give you a preliminary of what the Mustang E is like with their AC system. Hooked up to all the glycol loop here for the water. Now, this would be a good candidate almost for propane. So if they could take the glycol, chill the glycol in another plate heat exchanger, and you run chilled glycol where the expansion valve goes in. So basically your inlet and outlet port to your evaporator would be the same size, and you would cycle heated from the hot gas discharge, or through the plate heat exchanger you'd have cold, and you would chill or you would heat the glycol and you pump glycol. So you just use propane out here, and instead of let's see how much refrigerant. So instead of maybe 500 grams of refrigerant you use, maybe you only need 150 grams of propane in a small little system like this. And all you do is you pump in glycol into the passenger compartment. So you never have to worry about a flammable refrigerant ever being in the front of the vehicle inside. It would all be out here, and it would be a very small quantity. So, all right, we'll get back onto this or another one. I gotta get to my next job. See you guys.